Alright, welcome back to Dig's Fire. We're going to go ahead and do a quick run through for 3.3, kind of show some of the stuff. I know the fight's coming up, and some people just getting the sticks and they're just starting to learn about it. So I'm going to go run through this real quick. Music section is obviously that music, the way, and then you go sports section, Planet MMA, Project D, Sports Devil, ESPN3, WWE Online. This is your most used sports add-ons. Project D is really solid. Planet MMA is pretty good. Sports Devil is good, but you're fighting with about 1 billion people trying to watch the same feeds as you. And if you've ever tried to watch links on the internet, when it gets bogged, it gets bogged. That's why it buffers and you deal with the things you do. TV and movies. My go-to is usually going to be M4U or Covenant. A lot of people are experiencing the YouTube videos right now. It's a feed issue. Try your other add-ons, 1080p movies, Elysium, things like that, or Bob. But you do have more than one option. 24/7 shows, click on a TV show, and it's going to play that TV show 24 hours a day, non-stop. Add-on packs. These right here at the bottom are very big add-ons inside. It's going to give you things like TV, movies, sports, live TV, things of that nature. Even more add-ons interconnected inside. Bob's one of the best that I've really liked. Banu is what Phoenix used to be. The creators actually made the new one right here. It's really good too. Take your time, play around with it. There's things in there that you're going to find that are probably going to blow you away. Not Sure is another really good one. It's relatively new. Picasso is where Evolve came from, and Skynet's doing a little bit of work to there, so some things may not work on that one. Vortex. Said it 1 billion times, one of my very favorite add-ons. Vortex, Rock Crusher, and Dreamweaver do a phenomenal job on this thing. Quantum's a newer add-on. It's got a ton of stuff in it. Play around with it. Like I said, it's just like the add-on pack's got a ton of things in there. TED Talks and the Red Pill. Red Pill is documentaries and metallics. Whenever you search for something in a movie, it's going to pull up the different ways you can watch that movie. If you're not sure, start with metallics and use that to find out what's going to be playing to that. It'll tell you Bob, Covenant, or whatnot. Kid sections, cartoons, obviously what that is. And again, you've got the 24/7 right here. System area. If you drop down here, go to the right, erase drive and delete all. Those are your adult add-ons. I just label them like this, so if someone sees it, they're not going to click these because of what they're labeled. They're actually adult add-ons. Stream section. This is your live TV streaming things. Just a couple of them right here. The add-on packs have a bunch of live TV in them as well. Gears TV is the paid service. I've also got a link that shows you how to sign up for it. And Cloud TV or C Cloud TV is another free one. And you're going to worry about buffering and things like that sometimes with it. The Mayfair guide is same thing as Gears. You're going to enter the same information in, but it gives you a TV guide like Satellite would. Let's see, programs area. When you start, you need to clear cache, clear packages. Now you're going to see this pop up. You need to go ahead and hit yes. It's going to install it. And once it's finished, it's going to pop this up. Clear your cache. Go ahead and click on continue. And you're pretty much done with it. Go back and hit ignore because you don't need to do the wizard right there. And clear your packages. This will automatically clear your cache and clear your packages when you first run each time the next day or whatnot. But whenever you get this, you want to go ahead and click right here. This will set you up and clear out everything for it. And once you write the file, it's going to basically save all your settings. This is going to actually help you with buffering issues or whatnot. Now you've got trailers right here for new movies or whatever, and your speed test. If you want to see what speed you're running, you click on it, it's going to bring your OCool up. You just click on run speed test and it'll tell you what your ping is, your speed, and your upload, which you don't need on here. You're worried about the downloads. At the very bottom, if you see that scroll bar right there, during the fights, I will update that and kind of tell you where the best links are. As of right now, I'm using Gears TV to watch the fights. They'll probably have it in Project D, Planet MMA, Sports Devil. Sports Devil's going to bog down, I'm going to tell you now. Project D, Planet MMA are probably going to be better if you're trying to watch it for very free. Vortex. In the Vortex section right here, go in right there. And let's see. I'm trying to remember where I saw it. Special events, maybe. Alright, once that pops up, it's going to tell you your fights or whatever. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put it in there so you know what's what with it. Maybe in the Rock Crusher. See, yeah, actually it's going to be right here. So what you're going to want to do is, once you open Vortex, Rock Crusher, and UFC video log, once that brings it up, this is where all your stuff's going to be. So once it's playing live, it should be sitting at the very, very top. Once the fight starts or anything like that, I'm going to try to keep this updated. If I don't answer the phone, it's because I'm doing other stuff. But I will try to keep everybody up and running before the fights. All right, thanks for choosing Dig Fire and enjoy.